Quit milking this poop out. It's gonna hit you in the eye. He ain't got nothing left in him. You done milked him dry.
No, he has a few dots there. Look him, Pop. Look him, Pop. Look him, Pop.
Quit. Put him back in the box and let him eat it. Let him get full again. Would you stop? That's his head. You're killing him. You're killing him. You're killing him.
Is this his poop bowl?
If it ain't, you're gonna make him puke.
How?
He's empty. There's nothing left in him.
I milked him dry.
Why is that laying on the ground?
Oh my God, that's long.
You stretched him,
How?
squeezing the poop out of him.
Ow! I'll use this one. He looks like a snake. I want him to get bigger. Whoa! That's a long one.
Put him back.
That
See, look, they ain't even nibbling. There ain't nothing going to bite today. We're gonna waste their worms, and you're killing them. Quit!